Great Monday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. We have had a few thunderstorms develop over the northern Highveld today, specifically within the past 3 to 4 hours throughout parts of the northwest, the Free State, the Highveld of Mpumalanga, southern Limpopo, Gauteng, and western KwaZulu-Natal. In fact, anywhere that I've highlighted, chances of rainfall tonight exist, and that does include Johannesburg. We've left the Durban and Richards Bay coast dry. We're expecting partly to mostly clear skies for you overnight. Now, moving towards the southwestern Cape, this cluster of clouds is in fact a weak cold front that's traveling towards the greater Cape Town region. That will provide overnight light rain for the mother city. But remember, thunderstorms anticipated across the northern Highveld with mostly clear skies along the east coast. Now, going forward into your Tuesday, here comes our cold front making landfall early in the morning hours. We have chances of rainfall for the southwestern Cape, the south coast, and once again throughout the eastern half of South Africa. Wet for Cape Town, George, and PE. We have our greatest probability of rain this Tuesday throughout the eastern Cape, with more isolated thunderstorms anticipated across the northern Highveld, including Johannesburg, with partly cloudy skies across the Lowveld extending towards Durban and Richards Bay. Now, your chances of rainfall tonight will be greatest where you see the darkest shading of blue for the northern parts of South Africa. You can see a small chance of rain exists near the southwestern Cape. That's really for your overnight period if you're located near Cape Town. Speaking of Cape Town, this is your Metrovision tonight. 15 degrees. Most of your evening should stay dry, but remember, overnight light rain will continue into your Tuesday with only a daytime high of 19 predicted in mostly cloudy skies. Now, with our cold front passing through, we're anticipating west to southwesterly winds for much of the coastal regions of the country, with the exception of the east coast. You can see a northwester developing throughout the central parts and light and variable winds forecast across the northern Highveld. Temperatures overnight will stay relatively mild throughout South Africa, with the exception of Sutherland. 20 overnight near Durban, 16 for Port Elizabeth, 18 for East London, 14 if you're located near George. Now, daytime highs will be hot along the KZN coast. Warm weather anticipated for the Gauteng province, middle and upper 20s for Joburg and Pretoria, 24 near Bloemfontein, 26 for Dar, 22 along the west coast. Wednesday's extended forecast, cool and wet along the southern Cape, showers for Durban, Highveld thunderstorms once again. By Thursday, we start to dry out from the west. That's all from me. Have a good one.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com